Yo, lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? I'm about to do a full face of makeup using the cheapest makeup products I found on the internet. Yeah, cheap. I like cheap. I'm talking about makeup products from brands that you probably never heard of before. I'm so breaking out after this. Send prayers to my skin, it's gonna need them. No, this doesn't mean that cheap makeup is bad. Cheap makeup can be good. Sometimes it can be better than high-end makeup. That's actually very often the case. And I'm about to prove that today. Or at least I'll try. I don't know. The most expensive product I'm about to use today cost me $4.30. That's ridiculous. Get out of here. I mean, no, come back. I'm gonna need you. Whee! This is the primer I'm gonna use. You already saw it flying through the air. I was teaching it how to fly, but it wasn't collaborating. Anyways, not the point. This only cost me $4.10, which is amazing for a primer. Guys, I'm a little confused. Well, I always am, but now I'm a little more than usual. I just noticed that on the back of the packaging, it says that it illuminates and mattifies. What? It's either one or the other. You can't do both. But what do I know? Maybe this primer is groundbreaking. It smells so nice. Well, no, I take that back. It doesn't smell bad, but it smells like, I don't know, sweet. It kind of feels like I'm applying shaving cream on my face. It's very slippery. Oh my god. I wanna admit I was wrong. This primer does exactly what it says. It mattifies, but it also makes my skin look glowy. How dare I doubt it? My grandma always said, never judge makeup by its price. Grandma only had one lipstick. She used that same lipstick for 15 years. I think we should trust her. Anyway, she never said that. But I'm gonna be saying it to my grandkids. This primer has the formula of a mattifying primer, which not the best for my dry skin, but it's also full of tiny little sparkles, which you can only see if you come very close to a mirror, like probably this close, and they make your skin appear glowier. It's like they crushed some powder highlighter and they put it in there. It works though. I also got this foundation from the same brand. It cost me $3.30 approximately. Depending on where you buy them, they might be a little more expensive or a little more cheap. Oh wow, I haven't seen those tubes in a really long time. You know, the ones that you need to stab so that they open? This is a paint tube. Wow, it's very foamy. I think it's a little too light for me. Now this is supposed to be waterproof. Excuse me? Have anyone seen my blemishes? I had them right here a few seconds ago. Yeah, it covers a lot. This is very light for me. I lost the cup. That's amazing. I want to have something bad to say about it, but I don't. In case of emergency, I actually got one more foundation. And by emergency, I mean this foundation being too dark for me. Turned out the exact opposite. Go figure. So I got this one. And I think that this one is by a Polish brand. This cost me $3.40. Oh, this one is a lot more sheer, that's for sure. It covers, but it doesn't cover as much as the other one. I'm gonna switch to a brush. Oh yeah, look at that coverage when I use a brush. Wow, this is actually very nice. I mean, the shade is a little dark, but the foundation is good. I actually mixed these two foundations on the back of my hand and I applied them all over my face so that, you know, everything looks even. Guys, this doesn't look bad. Most of my blemishes are covered. Look how glowy my skin looks. This is because of this foundation. This has a very nice glowy finish. I have high-end foundations that probably cost 10 times more than this. Ridiculous. And they look nothing like this. Are you kidding me? It's a scam! One thing that I didn't like about this one is the shade. It's a little too orangey. However, this has a very beautiful neutral undertone, which I love. And that's rare with affordable foundations. They're usually too orangey or too pinky. Not this kind of pinky. Guys, it's time to go back in time. Come on, jump in. I've seen Back to the Future. I know how to do this. We're gonna move on to the brows, and I'm gonna use a brow gel that I used when I was like 15, 16. This was actually one of my first makeup products. And oh my god, it feels weird using it. This is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. It cost me $2.60. And yeah, you can also use it on your lashes. That's how I was using it, because I barely had any eyebrows. Okay, let's see. Oh, this feels weird. We're just gonna brush the brows up. It smells like nothing. Now, I don't think that this is going to be able to hold my brow hairs in place. I think that this is just going to make them look wet. When you apply this on your lashes, the only thing it does, it makes you look like you cried. So if that's the look you're going for, this is your product. This is also one product that I used when I was 15, 16, 17, somewhere there. It comes with this very nice comb. You can use it to brush your brow hairs. It's a little stiff. This smells like nothing too. This is the Rimmel Brow This Way Professional Pencil. I have it in the shade Hazel. This was actually my first ever brow pencil. I don't remember it being that creamy. I think they might have changed the formula, because mine back then was like chalk. It was dry. It required so much rubbing until I got some color out. But you know what? I loved it. Yeah. Well, I didn't like it. I wasn't enjoying rubbing a brow pencil on my eyebrows until I almost started a fire on my face. I just thought that all brow pencils were like that, so... But I think that they changed the formula. It's so much better now. Now, this is where things get interesting and a little concerning. So I got some concealers, and they are weird. I got this concealer, which came in a very different packaging. I've never seen a concealer come in a packaging like this, and it cost me $2.80. I ordered it from a website that says that it's for people over 18. I'm not sure what that means, and at this point, I'm too afraid to ask. What am I applying on my face? Why is this for people over 18? It's very light for me. There is very little product in here. I think that this is a sample size. It's literally empty. Look how thin it is. Well, I don't think that it covered anything. I'm gonna try to apply it under my eyes. I like how it looks under the eyes, but when it comes to my blemishes, you can still see them. Don't worry, you guys, I've got myself covered. Unlike this concealer, someone, somewhere, at some point in time, thought that it was a great idea to make concealers in the shape of a lipstick. What is this? So I went online to see, is this $2 concealer worth buying? Let me see if this is a good investment. There was that one Amazon review that just said, no! Oh, well, okay, you know what, let's see what other people say. It can't be that bad. Tragedy! The concealer is terrible. It doesn't work at all. It doesn't hide anything. I have been using this product for half a year. They were really determined to make this work and still failed. Okay, let's see. I also found this other review, and guys, it's gonna blow your mind. This review was posted in 2002. That's 20 years ago. Not these years. That's almost as old as the internet. It's ancient. And this concealer covers absolutely nothing. My pimple looked so much better before the concealer. It was just red. Now with the concealer on, it's still red, but it's also cakey. What is this? Who made this? I had so high hopes. Pimple is living life today. This was my second concealer. I bought it because of the price. Don't know if the color was appropriate, but cosmetics won't fit my taste. This is the powder I got. It was only $4. It has that, very...
Come on, say something.
I'm listening.
I think she broke.
White cast. It has white cast. Yeah, this powder sucked the life out of my face. Remember how I looked when I just had the foundations on? Yeah, look at me now. I look a little dead. I don't think that this is a good powder. A very nice alternative though is the Rimmel Stay Matte. I'm gonna insert a photo here because I can't remember exactly how it was called, but this is a very nice powder. I've been using this powder for years. Not those kind of ears. I don't put powder on my ears. Now, in order to bring back some color to this almost dead looking face, I have some blush, and this one is by the brand Wet n Wild. This cost me about $3 and it had so many Amazon reviews. It had like 5,000 of them. People seem to buy and like this. It has some sheen, which is nice, but it also makes my pimple look very visible. I like this. I can make this work with a different base. Bronzer. I got this one by the brand called Lovely and it wasn't sealed, so I don't know if I should be concerned, but this cost $3. Someone wrote a massive review on this blush. Guys, seriously, look at that. And I thought I had a lot of free time. It's very powdery. It smells like my mom's makeup, which is probably expired 20 years ago. Guys, I think that something is not okay. I'm applying bronzer, but I'm not seeing any bronzer. Like, this has no color. Nope, nothing. This bronzer is so natural. It's like you have nothing on your skin. It's barely there. I think I can use this bronzer as dry shampoo. This is awkward. Listen, let's do a little swatch. Why would they make this product? Well, we tried, but they tried a little too much. You know what? Maybe you're supposed to use it wet. There we go. There we go. Yes, baby. Come through. Bronzer, come through. Show them. Show them. Oh my god, that's very orange. We're cool for the summer. I really don't like this. Okay, I need to stop applying it on my face. But this is a very nice trick if you want to make a blush or a bronzer or an eyeshadow to come out a little more pigmented. Just spray your brush with some setting spray and dip it in there. Moving on to the eyeshadows, I got this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild, and this is actually the most expensive product that I'm gonna use today. And let's start off with this beige color. Let's put it in the crease. Wow, pigmented. Okay. They are a little powdery, actually a lot, but at least they're pigmented, unlike the bronzer. Bronzer, watch and learn. Let's take some of this darker shade. Oh, whoopsie! The truth comes out when you start blending them out, because if the eyeshadow is good, when you start blending it out, it won't just fade away, like this one does. For example, come on brown eyeshadow, come on, stay with me, you can do that. This is how we started, and this is what happened after I tried blending it out. Come on, we had such a great start. Why? You know what? I'm gonna try to make this work. I'm not gonna give up without a fight. Every makeup product is good. You just need to find a way to make it work. Except for the bronzer. The bronzer is not good. And the concealer. Yes, and the concealer, thank you. Let's get to work. Work. By the way, notice anything different? Yeah, I chopped it off. Couldn't stand it anymore. Okay, alright, this is not bad. Guys, this took me so long. These eyeshadows are not great. They're not good. Okay, they're actually awful. It took me a lot of time and effort and patience to make them look like this. They're very powdery, the pigment is disappointing, so conclusion is, I don't want to use them ever again. The more products I keep on trying, the worse things are getting. I'm getting so heated right now. I should probably turn the AC off. I'm afraid what's coming up next, seriously. Let's move on to the eyeliner and just be ready for the worst. My excitement is like... No excitement. Your farts are stinky. I got this eyeliner over here. It's by the brand Lovely. Yeah, that's the same brand that the bronzer was. Lovely. This eyeliner only cost $2. What can possibly go wrong? It's a little sheer. Oh, hold on. I shouldn't be smiling. I don't want to ruin it. Maybe if I let it dry and I apply a second coat, it dries out very matte. But it's not very black. It feels like they water it down. You know, it's kind of sheer and very liquidy. I can actually feel my eyeliner, which is wonderful because it dries down to that very thick layer of crustiness. It's like I have stickers on my eyes. It's very weird. For mascara, I got this one here by Rimmel. It's the extra long lash and it costs $2.60. This product is useless. Okay. Waste of money. The wand was hard and felt like I was scratching the skin on my eyes. The wand was hard. It felt like I was scratching the skin on the eyes? I have so many questions. How they were applying that mascara? The smell is phenomenal. My all-time favorite. Sweet, sexy, but not too loud. I feel like I can conquer the world in this perfume. Not my favorite. Well, that was a U-turn. I didn't see that coming. I don't know if they were applying perfume on their eyes or they're still talking about the mascara. Irritated my eyes throughout the day. They were definitely applying perfume on their eyes. So I probably won't be purchasing it again. Well, we need to find someone else to conquer the world now. Why this mascara smells like that? It's horrific. It smells like sweet chemicals. This did absolutely nothing to my lashes. It just made them black and stick to each other. The formula is very wet and clumpy. Like very clumpy. I could kind of see the mascara disaster coming, so I also got some false lashes. And honestly, with false lashes, almost nothing can go wrong. Like, there is nothing to go wrong, you know? But you never know. So these lashes are by the brand Eyebrow, and I paid for those $2.40. So I put them on. I don't think that you can see them because they're very natural. The lash band was difficult to bend. They're not bad, but they're also not the best quality lashes you can get out there. Highlighter by the brand Lovely. Let's not be negative. Stay positive, people, stay positive. I know it's challenging, but try to do it. The price of this highlighter was $3. Oh my god. Guys, let's do a little test. So this is the highlighter inside the pan, right? This is the highlighter in my hand. Wow, I wonder if I can break it. It's beautiful. Stop it. Well, so far this is the best product we tried from this brand. So I also got myself a lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. Let's see how they look. Oh, this lip liner is not very creamy, but the color is nice. Ooh, this smells like, like bubble gum. I really like this color on me. Oh my god, why does lip gloss always smell so good? It has that very sweet, fruity scent. Alright, this video was a roller coaster. We started great, then things went a little and the lipsticks definitely kinda saved the situation. At least we're ending it with something that's good. Yeah, the lipstick and the lip gloss, they're good. I don't want to say that cheap makeup is bad. No, I love cheap makeup because whenever I find something cheap that is good, it makes me so happy. It makes me happier than when I find something that's good but expensive. I'm gonna have down in the description box some makeup brands that have good and affordable makeup products. If you guys want to check them out, they'll be down there. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one next. I tried following a Korean makeup tutorial, or you can check out this one. This is where TikTok filters picked my makeup. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!